Because this cup is small, a little, so you can see the cup holder is up and the cup is down. So we have to lose this screw and this screw to adjust the loading line angle. Use this screw and rotate this wheel. This loading line will rise up a little to aim the center, aim the cup and the cup holder align in straight line. After lose this screw, then you can rotate this wheel to rise up the loading line. Clockwise is rise up the loading line. You can check it without and the both cups center and the cup holder center line within a line in center line. Okay. After the adjuster, you can manually push the clamp and push it to the cup holder to check it with align this center line. If it's easy to push it on the cup holder, it's been okay. Try again. Try again. You can check if it's easy to push it the cup to cup holder, that's been okay. After adjuster, you can manually push it to clamp the cup. This two-part master clamp in the gap between two cups. If your cup is more bigger, you have to adjust this part. It's a block part. This one and this one you can lose this screw to move up or down. The block part will be up or down. Use this screw to move the block part up and down. Also this screw here and here. It can move this block part up and down. Also, you can use this screw to move the sensor. This sensor is when the cup is come to here, the sensor will, this red LED will light up. Then it will ask the bell to stop. You can see this light is not light up when the cup come to here. It will light up. Then the cup will go. If the cup to here, it will stop. It also can adjust the distance, and this is block part. It also can adjust up and down. And also this part can move up and down. Use this two screw. Also you can manually push to here, lose this screw to limit the robot move distance, the stroke limit the loading clamp distance, this screw. After you adjust the all distance and here and here and here, and also adjust the angle and limit the stroke distance. Now, one important thing you must make sure this when the clamp back to make sure this sensor the light is LED is light up. When it loading to this side to make sure this sensor the LED will be light up. So because we just adjust the stroke limits, so we also have to adjust this stroke limit switch the sensor distance to left a little, because the in the part it's not detective this inside part, so it's not light up. Then the machine will not to the next step. Then move. You see, if you adjust the stroke distance, then the light will the sensor LED will not light up, because the air sender inside part is here, because you move this distance to here. So you have to move this part to. Now it's light up. So if this sensor is not light up, the machine will not run to next step. So we must make sure this sensor LED is light up. This is important. This is important. So if you adjust this stroke limit switch distance, then we have to adjust this switch. If the stroke distance is more long, then you have to move this sensor to this side. When you can manually push it back this side. When you push it back, make sure this sensor LED is light up. Then when you push it to front, then you make sure this sensor LED is light up. So this sensor depends your stroke distance. If your stroke is short, you have to move to this side. If your stroke is long, you have to move to right side. After you loading the cap to the cup holder, if the belt is not moving, you have to adjust this sensor to front a little, because here the sensor detected this cup early, so you have to move it to right side a little, so it can make sure the block part can block the cup. But after you loading cup like this, also it detected the cup already, so we have to move this part to right side a little to make sure the belt can move until the cup to this block part, then it will detect it. After you adjust this sensor to aim to here, then you can click loading cup tester again. You can see the belt will move until it to move this part, the cup to here, then it will be blocked by this part. Then you can loading cup again to check. Or loading cup step is this part is block this cup to when the loading the cup to there, this part will block other cup. First they clamp the cup in the gap first manual. Then this part will down to separate the cup down this part. The other one, then the robot will move then to loading the cup to the cup holder. So you must make sure this sensor is work when the cup this like this. The next step is this part will block this cup. So our loading cup step is like this. We can click loading cup, check, you can see. First, they clamp the cup in the gap, and this part will down and this part will up. Then the clamp will move to cup holder.